Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of future videos and all the other stuff that we do. Today we're going to have a look at a new Decals sheet from Luftfahrtverlag-Start. I have to stop and think about that company name. But basically this decal is, you remember we recently did a review of their new book, basically with the camera at the front. This is a decal sheet that follows that book. Okay, let's see what we get. This is obviously a special Decals set from the book with the camera at the front. We recently reviewed that book. I'll put the link underneath the video if you want to have a look at the contents of the book. These 12 decal sets are taken from aircraft featured in that book. We've got 10 BF-109Es and 2 109Fs flown by Major Golub, 1/48 scale. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so there's the decal set. There's the decals themselves. I'll put those on the screen while I have a quick look at them. Looks like the backing film is minimal. Obviously you get backing film around the letters and the words where things need to line up. Other than that, seems pretty good. And obviously going to be good quality. I believe they're done by cartography. It doesn't actually say here, it just says copyright by the company. So let's look at the instructions. So it's all in colour pullout. So basically the side views plus photograph from the book of each one, giving you the camouflage. It's in German, but it's easy enough to work out, and I think these are all profiles from the book itself. Anybody, if you're familiar with Luftwaffe aircraft, you'll be able to work these out, all the RLM numbers. It's easy enough. Some nice variations there. Lots of dark aircraft with modelling. Original colour photographs from the book. I remember in the review of the book when I was showing you some pages from that, I remember pointing out that one. Some nice diorama ideas as well. That one there looks like an engine change. And then the other ones, and again, nice side views, and yeah, just having some knowledge of Luftwaffe aircraft would be good. You'll know exactly how to paint them based on the colours that are given here. And then, what have we got on the other side? On the back here we've got reviews of their other books. What's that? The Suppliers of the Grey Wolf. Basically, I think we've reviewed all of these books in here. We have videos just flicking through the pages, having a look at them. But no, it's a pretty neat book. These decal sets are very unique. You've got the colour profiles in there to work them out, to paint them, and you'll definitely have something that looks unique. Not very many other people have these. Once these are sold out, that'll be it done. So if you need a copy, I'll put a link underneath the video. The best place to get them is from the publisher, and as I said, once they're done, they're done. They usually don't republish them again. So many thanks to Luftfahrtverlag-Start for sending it along for us to have a look at.